Alice with WTI, and I have this waffle maker from the brand Proctor Silex and comes with non-stick features. It has a round design with blades that heat up both above and below to ensure our waffles comes out well toasted and golden on both sides. To turn it on is very easy. We just need to plug it into our home electricity and it automatically lights up a red indicator showing that it's operational. We just have to pour the butter, wait a few minutes until the green light appears and flip it so that everything is ready. It only turns halfway, so we need to flip it again and take out our delicious waffle. It has a perfect size for our kitchen and is very easy to use. And that's my point of view.